stuff.
What are you guys eating today?
Oh, we're just walking around right now.
Yeah. I got some new, I just made some new Hokage scallop poke. You guys like try them?
Oh.
One wasabi masago, and then this one sesame.
Hi. Oh, okay.
This is wasabi masago,
Okay.
potato, and this is one kind of like one just sesame. This one plain one.
Okay.
Sesame with some salt and chili pepper.
Okay.
Yeah.
I wanted to try this. This is scallops from Pokefix, Hawaii. Oh, that's really good. It's seasoned really nice. It tastes like you're eating poke flavors. I can imagine this would be really good for beer food too. It's two different ones. So that first one I ate was really good. Try this one. Oh, good too. They're both really tasty. I like both. This is I don't know. I think this was ahi. Spicy ahi. Can I get the limu ahi or the Hawaiian style ahi? Crab salad, ocean salad. How many choices are there? Three. And a cucumber. Yeah. Oh, this is jellyfish?
Yeah.
This is good. It doesn't taste like jellyfish.
Yeah. You wouldn't think that after jellyfish. I mean, jellyfish is basically water. This is the spicy ahi, spicy shrimp, crab salad, and then spicy salmon.
Okay. I got the Hawaiian ahi poke. You can pick your fixings. They had this weird jellyfish poke that I tried, which is actually pretty good. So I'll just try the. The cut is good. The poke is good. Just the right amount of limu. It's so good. This is the other thing that they hooked us up with. Look at that. So let's try this one first. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I think that's what it is. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is the shrimp. Wow, that's pretty good. Shrimp. This is like crab salad one. That's one. That's pretty good. I never had salmon. That's the first time I ate salmon. It's pretty good. All of the food is good. The fish is good cuts. It was good. It was all good. Thank you, Pokefix. Mahalo for the ono bombs. So good. This is from Pokefix in Waikiki. They were previously in another location, and so this is a new location for them. Let's go check them out, you guys. Their poke is really good. The fish quality is awesome. Super nice people and awesome food. The food is all good, you guys. You guys gotta try it. Worth it. Check them out. Pokefix Hawaii.